The River Thames has one of the highest concentrations of microplastics in the world. In fact, more than 94,000 particles flow in the Thames per second. Microplastics in the river in London harm and decrease the population of aquatic species. This problem is connected to SDG 14. Conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas and marine resources for sustainable development. The Thames is littered with plastics and unwanted objects decomposing into microplastics. The Thames is connected to the oceans, therefore affecting the seas around the world. Our solution? Simple. Filter the microplastics directly from the polluted waters. Our design will be able to catch and store microplastics and therefore save the lives of numerous organisms without damaging the environment.
Let me introduce you to BioBout. The water current will flow into the mouth of the manta ray, and large objects will be removed from it by an inclined metal plate. Then it will pass through holes in this plate and be separated from the microplastics using a technique called the ricochet separation method. This method is inspired by the manta ray. Finally, a filter will capture these particles.
You've combined certain parts of each of the organisms very effectively to form our design. We mimicked the octopus's suction cups to attach our design to bridge pillars. Similarly, we mimicked the blue whale's baleen, formed a small feather-like keratin plate that is used to catch krill, which removes the microplastic from the water as it flows through. We copied the shape of these plates for the filter that would store the microplastics in our design once they have been filtered out.
We copied the manta ray's ricochet technique to separate microplastics from river Thames. Finally, the basking shark's mouth shape concentrates the flow of water into our design.